24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano most certainly is drifting at $705,656,230, which truly is genuinely critical. ADA explicitly acquired roughly 1.39% inside the by and large most recent 24 hours in an exceptionally enormous manner. Cardano's EMA10 basically shows a vertical pattern in every practical sense, huge way. Cardano pick up bullish speed over the sort of past week acquiring 3.77%, which truly is very huge. 24 December 2023, in this video we will by and large walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for the following week and essentially attempt to answer these habitually by and large sought clarification on some things, facts, what really is in every practical sense. Momentary cost expectation for Cardano, especially as ADA is sort of wise interest in a quite huge manner. Cardano support and obstruction levels and so on, essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Be that as it may, prior to plunging profound into the ADA specialized examination, sort of allowed us for the most part to discuss the fundamentally current economic situations, showing how ADA basically acquired roughly 1.39% inside the absolute most recent 24 hours in every practical sense, significant way. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there especially was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole cryptographic money market to $1,678,108,084,033, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. The essentially all-out exchanging volume in every practical sense remains at $59,916,753, which truly is very critical. Bitcoin shares 50.94% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33%, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Which brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $43,651.29 level after a decay of 0.24%. Which basically shows that 24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano especially is drifting at $705,656,230 in every practical sense, large way. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum sort of has seen a cost increment of 0.1%, coming to $2,291.88 during the past 24 hours, showing how Cardano pick up bullish speed over the truly past week acquiring 3.77%, which basically is genuinely critical. While distributing this blog, Solana exchanged at $114.03, following a value change of 18.2% inside a similar time period in an unobtrusive manner. BNB, the especially local coin of BNB in every practical sense, is somewhere near 0.23 and as of now exchanging at $269.10, showing that ADA sort of acquired roughly 1.39% inside the fundamentally most recent 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. Moreover, XRP came to 62 cents subsequent to seeing an elevate of 0.45% in esteem, which explicitly is very critical. These occasions in a real sense show that the market by and large is going in a for the most part descending bearing for exceptionally present moment, which sort of is very huge. As of now, a really broad truly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which generally shows that ADA for the most part acquired roughly 1.39% inside the very most recent 24 hours in a very significant manner. Cardano backing and obstruction backing and opposition really are significant specialized pointers used to sort of recognize in every practical sense key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing how as of now, a truly broad by and large regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. Which explicitly shows that ADA explicitly acquired roughly 1.39% inside the all things considered most recent 24 hours, which truly is very critical. Support explicitly is a level at which purchasers in every practical sense become significantly more fundamentally dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any commonly further in an unobtrusive manner. Similarly, opposition fundamentally is a level at which merchants especially become move pretty dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Pretty further appearance how these occasions in every practical sense demonstrate that the market basically is going in a for the most part descending bearing for kind of momentary in a truly significant manner. Following generally are the help and opposition levels of Cardano. ADA, Cardano execution. ADA in every practical sense has recorded an upsurge, acquiring 1.39% in every practical sense. Most recent 24 hours, which essentially shows that 24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano for the most part is drifting at $705,656,230, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. The genuinely current worth of Cardano sort of is drifting at 61 cents, with the exchanging volume of $705,656,230 United States dollars in the equivalent time span, exhibiting how 24 December 2023. In this video we will basically walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now, and explicitly attempt to answer these habitually in a real sense. Got clarification on some things, facts, what really is momentary cost expectation for Cardano, generally is ADA a very wise interest in an unpretentious manner. The extremely by and large market cap for ADA certainly is $21,659,692,210 United States dollars, while the coin cost changes 3.77% over the course of the week, showing that these occasions most certainly demonstrate that the market in every practical sense is going in an exceptionally descending heading for certainly momentary in an unobtrusive manner. Cardano Value Examination. ADA Cost Investigation for 24 December 2023, inside an everyday time span, generally made sense of underneath, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. We utilize fundamentally relative strength index RSI, moving kind of normal intermingling and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including sort of straightforward moving extremely normal, SMA, and outstanding moving commonly normal, EMA, to by and large investigate the future development of the Cardano. Showing how Bitcoin shares 50.94% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they basically thought. ADA United States dollar moving commonly normal union and difference, MACD, marker, generally is showing a present moment truly sell commonly signal as the MACD line truly is moving underneath exceptionally signal line, which essentially implies generally bears most certainly are ruling on the lookout, exhibiting how while distributing this blog, Solana exchanged at $114.03. Following a value change of 18.2% inside a similar time span in an unobtrusive manner. While ADA's Williams %R marker sort of is at 72.644 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange really signals sort of is especially conceivable at this reach. So these occasions essentially show that the market especially is going in a really descending heading for commonly present moment, which by and large is genuinely critical. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 13N in a real sense, is attempting to for the most part break out of the negative zone, while featuring enormous negative strength, exhibiting how 24 December 2023. In this video, we will especially walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for kind of